bored as hell and I wanna get ill, so I go to a place where my homeboys chill. Fellas out there trying to make that dollar.
Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, home from my brother's wedding last night, and today I'm going to take me a nice long ride on the bike. I think it'll probably be about 30 miles round trip, so got the GoPro on the road bike, see how that turns out, and I'll check back in with you guys when I get back. See ya. Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so back from my ride. Ended up doing 33.1 miles an hour, or miles today. And kind of figured out some things as far as calories I need to intake when I'm riding that far. I'm seriously considering doing a triathlon next weekend. I was going to do it yesterday. There was one yesterday near my house, but my brother's wedding and everything, it was going to be too much of a risk of being late and all that. So there's one next weekend in Keysport, Illinois, which is near Lake Carlisle. The swim section is actually in Lake Carlisle. I'm going to check this evening, see if registration is still open. I'm pretty sure it is. And oh man, if it's open, I don't know, it's still still tossing around in my head. But I do need to intake some calories. I got about halfway through and I was feeling pretty run down. So I stopped at Subway and got a sandwich, and that helped a lot. And ate a Cliff Bar. So I'm going to try and figure out how many calories that was and kind of plan to have that many calories in food available to me during the triathlon if I do it. So that's pretty much it for today. I gotta work tonight, and so I got that. Other than that, the weight loss is going good. I'm like right there teetering at the 290, 289 mark. I was at 288 a week ago. One day, I think it was just a fluke. Seems like when I lose weight, it's in like a 5-pound fluctuation zone that goes down gradually. So right now, my upper limit of that fluctuation zone is at 292. So hopefully that'll be down some more. It'd be awesome to be in the 280s for next weekend. I definitely am noticing a lot more energy. I don't get sore as long. I recover quickly. The hills are getting a lot easier. I'm able to climb these steep hills in higher gears and still keep my cadence up. My endurance is increasing, and I feel freaking awesome. So everything's going great with that, and I'll let you guys know if I'm going to do the triathlon or not, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is short. Enjoy the ride.